In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through how to delete contacts in Brevo. Deleting contacts is a straightforward task, but ensuring you follow the right steps is essential to avoid any accidental data loss. Whether you're tidying up your contact list or removing outdated entries, this guide will help you accomplish it efficiently. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to brevo.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. It's always a good idea to ensure you're using a secure connection, especially when dealing with sensitive information. Once you've logged into your Brevo account, look to the left side of the screen where you'll find the navigation menu. Here, you'll see an option labeled CRM. Click on this option to access the Customer Relationship Management section of Brevo. The CRM section is where you manage all your contacts and customer interactions, making it a critical part of your workflow, especially if you're handling numerous contacts. After entering the CRM section, the next step is to click on Contacts. This will direct you to a list of all your current contacts stored within Brevo. It's here that you can review and manage your contacts efficiently. If your contact list is extensive, you might want to use the search function to quickly locate the contact you wish to delete. This search feature can save you time and help avoid mistakes, especially if you have many similar names in your database. Now, with your contact list in view, find the specific contact you want to delete. Next to each contact, you'll see a checkbox. Click on this checkbox to select the contact. It's crucial to ensure that you're selecting the correct contact, as the next steps will permanently remove it from your list. With the contact selected, look for the More Options button. This button is typically represented by 3 dots or a similar icon, depending on your interface settings. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, choose Delete Permanently. A prompt may appear asking you to confirm your action. This is Brevo's way of ensuring you're absolutely sure about deleting the contact, as this action cannot be undone. Once you're certain, confirm the deletion. The contact will be removed from your list immediately. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a contact from Brevo. This process is quick and easy, allowing you to maintain a clean and updated contact list. Remember, keeping your contact list organized not only helps with efficiency, but also enhances your ability to manage relationships within your CRM effectively. If you manage a large number of contacts, consider scheduling regular cleanups to remove any outdated or inactive entries. This will ensure your database remains a valuable resource for your business operations. Thanks for watching this guide, and I hope it has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below.